Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fly in Blade and Sorcery Nomad. So, it's easiest to do it in the marketplace, because that's where a lot of the items that can make you fly help. So, we got this wheelbarrow thing. I think it's a wheelbarrow. But anyways, grab onto these and do that, or continuously jump to gain height. And well, you gain height, pretty much. Yeah, you can go as high as you want as well. Or slow fall, of course, which definitely makes sense. But, or you could do something like grab a table. It's a lot harder to grab a table though. So, why not a bench? Yeah, you kind of just gotta grab the end of the bench. It's a lot harder to steer though, as I died just now to the bench.